Businesses are applying lean principles to all processes that contribute to the bottom line, including production. With a technology partner like Epicor, you can improve your production processes and gain efficiencies throughout the production environment. By providing you with accurate, timely data, Epicor solutions help you identify and correct what doesn't work and maximize what does. Epicor offers manufacturers a comprehensive production control solution designed specifically for the planning, routing, scheduling, costing, and tracking of products, including assembled, manufactured, and semi-finished products. It enables users to maximize profitability by more easily identifying wasted processes and continuous improvement opportunities on the production floor. The Manufacturing Execution System, or MES, available with Epicor ERP software, provides accurate labor reporting, which is vital for job costing and status updates. Boost efficiency and empower employees with real-time data visibility that can help your business improve productivity, lower costs, and gain a competitive edge. Eliminate manual data collection and easily monitor every cycle and every machine. Qualify parts automatically and reject parts based on captured process data. You can also pinpoint critical issues to reduce waste and improve product quality. MES even lets you track a part as it moves through the entire production process to better manage inventory. Gaining production efficiencies extends to how you use energy and resources. With energy monitoring, you can analyze load patterns, production requirements, and resource energy demands, giving you the power to reduce peak demand and capture energy savings. To learn more about how Epicor solutions can improve your production processes, visit epicor.com.